I think I got you with the thumbnail. But do you want to make quick money and lay in the sun? Then now is the perfect timing for that. Just become a blockchain developer, grab your laptop and sunglasses, and you can code in the sun. We will discuss today how you can become a developer and craft the future block by block. So, what's the first step? Dive into deep end. Just like diving into the ocean, the first splash into the blockchain technology can be shocking. But fear not. Start with the basics. What is a blockchain? How do cryptocurrencies work? And what's even a smart contract? There are plenty of resources online that can turn you from a blockchain baby into a crypto conqueror. Code your way to glory. Don't just read about blockchain, build it. Get your hands dirty with blockchain development languages like Solidity for Ethereum or Python for general scripting. Remember, every blockchain master was once typing "Hello World." And just like that, you're not just riding the crypto bull run, you are leading it. From curious beginner to blockchain developer. Your journey is about more than just making quick money. It's about crafting the future. If you want to learn how to become a blockchain developer, follow this channel and we will learn together the blockchain. And at the end, just remember, the blockchain beach is calling.